How do we solve this type of question? We will be using the mathematics rule, the PEMDAS or BODMAS rule. So where we have this rule, whenever multiplication and addition, multiplication and division appears together, we have to solve the one that appear first, the one that appear from the left. We have to solve from the left to the right. So now solving this now, that means we have to divide 15 by 3 before we multiply. So that means 15 divided by 3 will give 5. So this will become 5 times 3 over 3. Then we say 5, now we can multiply. 5 times 3 will give 15. So that this will become, even if we don't even have to multiply, we can just use this 3, we can just use this 3 to cancel out this 3 such that we will be left with 5. So the answer will be 5. Because if we multiply, we'll be having the same thing because 5 times 3 will give 15 and then 15 over 3 will give 5. So the answer to this question is 5. You will be wrong if you say because multiplication appears before division, then you want to multiply first. That means you'll be having something like this: 15. Let's try the question again. 15 divided by 3 times 3 over 3. So if you say because multiplication appear first, then you want to multiply first, that means you'll be solving and you'll be having something like this: 15 divided by 3 times 3 is 9, then over 3. At the end of the day, you will be getting a totally different answer. So whenever you are solving something like this, you have to solve from left to right. If division appears first, divide first. If multiplication appears first, you multiply first.